Introducing PDF Image Printer 12. Peernet has sold versions of PDF Image Printer for the last 20 years, yet this release of version 12 marks the most dramatic overhaul to how the virtual printer operates behind the scenes and to how users interact with the virtual printer. PDF Image Printer now includes a user interface that is modern, clean, and easy to use. There is a dashboard, which is PDF Image Printer's control center, where users can edit their conversion settings, manage their printers, and access licensing tools. In addition, the dashboard provides quick access to help and resources. With PDF Image Printer 12, we've introduced the concept of profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output file you want. These can be created and edited through our brand new Profile Manager interface. PDF Image Printer comes with 2 system profiles for common conversion. From here, you can copy and edit the system profiles, create personal profiles, mark profiles as favorite or hidden, and filter which profiles you see. When creating and editing a profile within Profile Manager, users will have access to all output settings available in previous versions, as well as newly added features, such as file name creation, PDF options, PDF security, adjusting page brightness, adding a border, stamping tools, and document information. Later on, when printing to PDF Image Printer 12, you will select your desired profile to apply your selected settings during conversion in order to create the output file you want. Back on the dashboard, another new utility is printer management, which allows users to copy, create, delete, and rename instances of PDF Image Printer without having to work with the Devices and Printers menu. You can also change the default profile used by the printer. Behind the scenes, version 12 includes major driver improvements. Perhaps the most significant improvement is that PDF Image Printer 12 can now produce both searchable and non-searchable PDF files. The ability to create Adobe PDF files has long been requested, and we are pleased to be able to include this feature in version 12. The Peernet team has completely revamped PDF Image Printer's graphic core, so that all graphic operations are now vector graphic operations, which allows for the option to create a vector output like Adobe PDF, and the addition of many new settings that are only possible with the new vector core. The release of version 12 also marks a transition in PDF Image Printer's traditional software licensing model to a subscription-based licensing model. All licensing-related tasks can now be completed through the license wizard on the dashboard. The dashboard also highlights your subscription status and the number of days remaining in your subscription in the top left-hand corner. When it's time to renew, you can quickly access the Peernet online store by selecting Renew Subscription. For existing users upgrading from an earlier version, all the changes available in version 12 will make working with PDF Image Printer more accessible and efficient. If you need assistance recreating your current printer settings in version 12 of the product, do not hesitate to reach out to the Peernet team. For more information on upgrading, please see our How to Upgrade to PDF Image Printer 12 video. Lastly, be sure to check out our updated My Account section on the Peernet website. In addition to a fresh look, this update allows you to view the activation list for your PDF Image Printer 12 serial numbers yourself. Activation details will show you which computers have been activated with the serial number, and if a computer is no longer in use, our subscription license users can remove the activation directly through their online account so that a new computer can be activated with the software. We hope you enjoy PDF Image Printer 12 and look forward to getting your feedback on this upgrade.